In today's business world, a company's success is often tied to the success of its mobile workers. Introducing Cisco Personal Assistant. Cisco Personal Assistant is an IP-based solution that works with Cisco Call Manager and Cisco Unity to streamline communications by helping users manage how and where they want to be reached. Cisco Personal Assistant revolutionizes communications with personal call rules, speech recognition, and IP phone productivity services. Cisco Personal Assistant is a dedicated administrative assistant handling incoming calls, making sure important calls get through, and locating contact numbers. And because it's speech-enabled, Cisco Personal Assistant makes it easy to stay in touch and stay productive even when you're on the road. Personal call rules. Cisco Personal Assistant gives you the ability to set call screening and forwarding rules from a simple web interface, ensuring that critical contacts always get through. Forward important calls to a designated number or send lower priority calls straight to voicemail. You can create customized rule sets based on caller identification, time of day, and meeting schedules. You can also set a rule for incoming calls to follow you through a series of destinations to make sure you never miss an important message. For example, if my manager calls, send the call to my mobile phone. Between 5 and 8 p.m., forward calls to my home phone. If my customer calls, page me. Speech recognition. Cisco Personal Assistant helps you stay connected even when you're on the go by providing simple voice commands for various tasks. For example, say "follow me," and Cisco Personal Assistant will forward your calls to the phone from which you are calling or to a different number that you specify. You can also verbally dial entries from your personal address book or the corporate directory. For example, call John Smith. Synchronize your Microsoft Exchange contact list with Cisco Personal Assistant and access names and numbers by voice without having to re-enter any data. Cisco Personal Assistant enhances the functionality of Cisco Unity voice messaging with a number of speech commands such as play messages, next message, delete message, and more. Speech-enabled voicemail also allows random mailbox access. For example, list messages from John Smith. After listening, you can reply live by saying, "Call him back." Finally, you can use voice commands to conduct conference calls rather than dialing a group of different numbers. Welcome to Personal Assistant. What would you like to do?
Conference Ann Weston.
Adding Ann Weston from the corporate directory. Would you like to add more people to the conference? IP phone productivity services. Cisco Personal Assistant's IP phone productivity services enable you to check email, voicemail, and calendar using the LCD and interactive soft keys on any IP phone in the Call Manager cluster. Keep track of appointments right on your IP phone and get notification of upcoming events on the display or by pager. From your IP phone, Cisco Personal Assistant also gives you access to email and Cisco Unity voice messages. You can review and change active call routing rule sets with the Cisco Personal Assistant Activator on the IP phone or via the web or speech recognition interfaces. Choose Cisco Personal Assistant. Cisco Personal Assistant streamlines communications and maximizes productivity by giving you improved customer access, speech-enabled productivity tools, a quick and easy way to navigate Cisco Unity voice messaging, and the ability to establish call routing, screening, and forwarding rules from a web interface. Complete communications are as close as your phone. For more information, please visit the following website,